Hey, Chef Johnny here. Thanks for stopping by. Today, we're going to do some chicken thighs in the air fryer. Yeah, I got this air fryer in from New Air. They sent me this Magic Chef 10.5 quart air fryer. We're going to do air fryer chicken thighs. I think they're going to turn out great. I've been playing with this thing some. It works really well. I think it's going to be fantastic. So stick around. Let me show you how I trim up my chicken thighs, how I season my chicken thighs, and then we're going to get them in and see how air fryer chicken thighs are cooked up and if they're worth eating. I bet you they are, so stick around. Hey, thanks for stopping by Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Appreciate you being here. We're gonna get busy on these chickens. If you've never been here before, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. If you have, thanks for coming back. Normally, you know, I'm not in the kitchen, I'm outside cooking, but because of my diet, this is a great thing for me to use. Folks, there'll be a link below for Roger Ragland diet, but I'm down 100 pounds, 6 months and 1 week. So I'm doing really good at that. Got a little more tonnage to go, but let's get back to making these chickens, and you can see the kind of food I've been eating on my diet. So let's get these chickens done so y'all can see that. I'm not gonna do just a whole lot to these thighs. I'm just turn them over. This big chunk of fat right here, that's gonna come off. You can probably clean that off with your hand. And if you see that extra skin there, I'm just gonna cut that off. Anything that's maybe loose and hanging right here, and really that's just, I'm gonna tuck this under and roll it anyways. So I think we're gonna be okay. Got a little bit of extra skin here. Actually, I think that will fold and tuck. I'm gonna take this one little piece off. So that one's ready to go. And I'm gonna cook up four thighs tonight, so open it up. And if you wanna leave that skin on there, you really don't have anything to worry about. A little bit of fat right there I'll take off. And you've got this little layer of fat there, so you can come in here, get that off. And like I said, if you wanted to, you could use this actually to wrap that with. I'm not gonna do that tonight. I'm just gonna come in here and take the fat and that skin off. That one's ready to go. Give me just a minute. I'm gonna get the other two ready to go, and I'll show you how I season them up. Now going on these chickens, I'm gonna use Gold Dust. This is from Outlaw Smokers. Got to meet them here down at the rodeo in San Antonio. But this is their citrus rub. I'm liking it real good. Used it a few times now, but we're going to use it on these chicken thighs tonight. Kind of open them up. We want to make sure we get rub all the way over them. Just like that. Don't want anything to be covered up. And I'm going to come in here and coat the bottom of these nicely. Get this Gold Dust on here. That side's done. Flip them over now. Again, kind of leave them spread out so that we get the seasoning all the way on all the skin. If you wanted to pull this skin off and season it right on the meat, you could do that, but I'm going to cook these skin on. Of course, you can put the skin back on after you did that, but we're going to do it just like this. You may hear the air fryer running right now. Just warming it up, doing a little preheating on it so it doesn't have to cook as long. But there we go. Now I'm going to take these, and if you look, here's your bone running this way. So I'm going to try to tuck them this way. All right, so find your bone and tuck them right like that. They're all tucked up, but just a little bit more on this one. And if you wanted to pick them up and kind of get the end a little bit, you sure can do that. Right there. These are gonna be really good. I'm on the Roger Ragland diet, so really I probably shouldn't be eating these skin on here, but that's kind of my pleasure I get every once in a while as I have something like this. But y'all check that out. I put a link down below on talking about the diet and how I lost 100 pounds in 6 months. But those are ready to go. After 3 minutes, we're gonna have the air fryer warmed up. We'll put these in there and we're gonna cook them at about 375. About halfway through, then we're gonna bump it up to 400 and see if we can finish. But let me get those on there and we'll see how this turns out. Now, when we're taking a break from our cooking here for just a minute, let me tell you and remind you about my t-shirts. These t-shirts are only going to be on sale for about a week and a half. We got about another 10 days and they're going to be gone. So if you want a Big Sexy Barbecue Society t-shirt, it says founding member of the Big Sexy Barbecue Society, Texas Style Cuisine. Go in there, get you an order. The link's gonna be below. We're only doing this for 3 weeks, was the whole time. We're a week into it. And so anyways, get your t-shirt ordered, share this around, let your friends and family know about it. Share that link and see if you can help support the channel by buying our merchandise. And that just helps us put out more great videos for you. We're gonna open this up, just grab it, pop it open. One thing that I do is if there's something on there, I'm gonna pull it out to turn it or check it. I'll put a little cutting board here to catch any drip so it doesn't get out on my glass and stuff. But this is already hot, I was preheating it. So here's my rack. Go ahead and put that underneath there so it doesn't drip any of the raw chicken either. So I'm just gonna take my chicken thighs, set them up there real good. These are some nice big thighs. They're gonna be real good. That's ready. That's in the air fryer. Let me show you how we set the time and temperature. So to get this going, I'm just gonna hit the switch. It's got some preset times and stuff on here. I haven't been using those. Comes in at 370 automatically and for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna take the temperature up to 375 and then come over here to my timer. It's at 15 minutes. I'm gonna hit power and that air fryer's cooking. So 375, 10 minutes. We're gonna turn them over for about 5 and then we're gonna flip them back over to the top side again. And I think maybe about another 10 and they should be nice and crispy. Taking them to 165 degrees. So we'll get back with you shortly. Pop it open. Just protects my glass from getting real dirty. Kind of start sliding this out. If you wanted to take them all the way out, you could. And I guess it'd be easier since I got 4 on there tonight. I'm just gonna turn these over right there. Back up. Ooh, that's hot. Won't take me long to look at it. Out of the way. See, I kept that clean. And we're gonna go for 5 minutes right here. It's been another 5 minutes, so we're gonna open this up. Get my plastic there, we'll take it out and sit these down. I wanna check their temperature real quick. So, boy, I tell you what, this reads fast. New little probe I got, it's not even on the market yet. Smartro sent me this to test out for them. Y'all be able to get it in about a month. It's only $30. They're all in that right around 140. Oh, there you go, that one's 150. So they're getting nice and warm. I'm gonna turn them back over. Try to see if we can crisp up that skin a little bit. Let's see if we can put this back in. I'm gonna use my tongs there. Slide it into place and you can see why I protect my glass. Put that there. Turn it back on. I'm gonna bump it up to 400 because I want to crisp that skin up, and I'm gonna go 10 minutes. And we're cooking again. 10 minutes, we should have some chicken. Can I do one of these squatted down low shots for you, getting in close to the cooker so y'all can see I'm into my work? Anyways, it's been almost 10 minutes. They're looking pretty brown. I'm gonna go ahead and check the temp. Let's see what they look like. Now my new Smartro. Once these come out, I'll put a link in this video. They're not out yet though, but when they come out, I'll put a link in there so you can get over to Smartro and check them out. So right there, oop, 167. Let's try on this side. Everything's fine. Let's get them off the rack. Well, you can tell that they were starting to blacken up a little bit. These are looking pretty. There you have it. Some beautiful chicken thighs. They came out really good. The skin's maybe not quite as crispy as I'd like it, but you could probably turn the temperature down, go a little bit longer. and might do that and then hit that high temp right at the end. But I tell you what, they look pretty, and I bet you they're juicy. I'm gonna slice into this one. I think they've been cooling long enough. Look at that. Man, pretty. These are juicy. They are just lovely. You can see the juice is running out on the plate. Wish I had a camera guy to have him zoom in right now. But beautiful. I think this citrus rub from Outlaw Smokers is gonna be real good. Let's give it a try. Bit through the skin. There's good flavor on it. Very moist. Cook these up just under 25 minutes. Some great air fried chicken from our New Air Magic Chef air fryer. That is just fantastic. I tell you what, folks, don't forget, check out the link below for the New Air Magic Chef. I'm gonna put a link down there. I'm also gonna put down a code, and you get a 20% discount if you put Texas Style on your checkout. So make sure you do that. Go through the link, put Texas Style in there, get you 20% off of one of these air fryers. Comes in handy with me on my diet. It works fantastic. I really enjoy cooking in this for that. I can do something else for the family, and I can throw something in here for me. Works out fantastic. So I like it, hope you like it, and I think you will enjoy it also. So go check these out. Check out that link below. Thanks for stopping by Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Always do appreciate it, and we're gonna see y'all down the road.